See, guys, I always say something that this world, if you are afraid of taking risk, you will always be in class one. You will never move forward, okay? And if you see anybody making money in this our modern system, don't envy the person. Don't envy the person because the person has taken risk, and you are afraid of taking risk. That's why you are sitting where we are sitting. And so don't envy the person. Now, when this opportunity was introduced to us, we were skeptical. Way back 2022, some of us got it at 2021. We were skeptical about it. People took advantage of it. And 3 years came, they cash out big money. That is when our eye read. We got into it. Guys, this is my account. Okay, I started this account few days. I think on the 11th, I started this account. Now, if I come to my contract now, you see how everything works. Everything is spelled out in transparency. Now, if you look at this, you will see that my total loan is $30,240, but my total stake balance, which is here now, is 30,577. What is that? It is because my total profit, every profit I'm making now, is being added to this capital here, and it go into staking. So every day my staking amount is increasing, and so my profit is also increasing. Now everything is spelled out in this platform that you can see for yourself. These guys are into serious business, okay? So if you're afraid of risking $100 just to activate your account and cash out $35,000 at the end of 3 years, and you are sitting on your gold mine, you are sitting on your fortune, you are sitting on your tomorrow's bright future, okay? So I advise you to take that action now and secure a future in 3 years to come, so you can cash out any big money. People who understand are taking big risks and buying 3 contracts, 4 contracts, 5 contracts. Even people are buying the combo, which is the 50 contract that you have to pay for only 10 and get extra 5 free. So if you cannot do anything at all, just buy 1 contract and let it work for you. It is something. All right, so guys, this is Smart People for you, and we are talking about the Cryptex opportunity presentation today, right? So I'm going to walk you out because this Cryptex thing, many people don't seem to understand it. So I'm going to take my time and explain everything in bits so we can understand how this system works very well. All right, so come with me. Alright, so guys, we are going to talk about the Cryptex opportunity, okay, where only your $100 will give you the financial freedom you want. Alright, so guys, I'm going to take you slow but sure to present this thing to you to the best of your understanding. So okay, so yeah, now you are going to learn some key benefits of being associated with this Cryptex project. Now, basically, let me explain the whole concept. Now, this Cryptex project is about big financial institutions or banks, okay, that have moved into the crypto space, which have partnership with how do you call it, insurance companies to be giving loans to account holders like you and I, taking opportunity to make money. All right, we all know banks make money when they give out loan. Right now, because they don't know you that they are giving their loan to, that's why they bring in the insurance companies to insure those loans. Okay, so now, what you do is that Cryptex allow you to benefit from a starting balance of either 30,240 or $43,200, depending on the loan duration, because they have 3 years, 5 years, and 7 years. Okay, now depending on the duration and how much you go for, and what do? You only pay $100 activation fee. And this $100 activation fee, it doesn't really go to the company. They use it to pay for commission because they don't expect them to pay commissions from the loan that they have given. The loan was supposed to be used for a specific function. So once they've not even started using the loan, they will not pay commission from it. Meanwhile, the people that brought you must be paid commission. And so your $100 is what goes to do that work. All right. Now this is their disclaimer. All right. We will not talk about it. Now, what is Cryptex? So Cryptex is a community-based project where operation is anonymous. So the Cryptex company, sometimes when people put up their companies and like that, like particular like this to make other people benefit or to make you and I benefit, now they become targets for the world. People of the high class, begin to target them, because people of this high class don't want you and I to be financially free. So when any system comes that will make us financially free, they begin to target them, sometimes close them and all that, disturb them with a lot of things. So these people decide to remain anonymous. Nobody knows them. All right. But the big thing is you are not even giving your money to them, so there's no worry about knowing them. So far as the blockchain is there and internet is there, this business will last. That is what I know, because this business has been there since 2016, and it has been paying since. So if it is robbing Peter to pay Paul, or some kind of a business, it should have collapsed by now. All right, now there's no CEO, there's no company, there's no business or location. Okay, so Cryptex uses a blockchain-based DeFi staking protocols as its point for earning. Now, Cryptex maintains partnerships with banks, insurance companies, and individual account holders like you and I, okay, working uniformly to generate profit for all parties involved. So in Cryptex, everybody wins. The loan institutions win, or the banks win, insurance companies win, you the individual, you win. Now, Cryptex provide anonymity for all parties. Yes, they don't even want to know you. All right, all they need from you is your email and a password that is known to only you. They don't need your telephone number. They don't need your name and anything. They want you to remain anonymous. All right. Now there are over 500,000 account holders as at the time this slide was prepared. But as we speak now, there are about 700,000 to 1 million. Okay, we can't tell. Now, who are the players in this Cryptex business? The players are the DeFi staking contracts. Okay, so the smart contract that was used to write the whole thing is one of the players. The account holder, which is you and I, is one. The insurance company is one, and the banks. So there are basically four players in this Cryptex business. Now let's talk about the basics that we need to know. Now when we talk about method of earning, it is DeFi staking, and we all know that staking is one of the surest ways to earn in this crypto industry, because when you stake, you are giving liquidity to a blockchain, and the blockchain rewards you for holding your money on their blockchain. All right, so when the market is going down or going up, you are making your money. There's no loss in staking. All right, so that is the method of earning in this particular Cryptex business. All right, and now Cryptex promises you a hoping amount of 0.1 to 0.3% of the money. And one thing about staking is this: if you have, because the profit you earn on daily basis is very small, so if you don't have big money, your profit you will not appreciate it. That's why Cryptex come in to give you big money. I mean 30,000 plus. So even with 0.1%, it is big money already. All right, and this is working in what we call compounding way. Just as I show you in the prefix, every profit you make in a day goes to add up to the capital, and it works for the following day. So every day your profit is becoming bigger. Now, what is the product? Now, the product in this system is the DeFi hybrid contract. All right. Now here we have a brief explanation of it. Let's look at it. Now, they say DeFi hybrid contract consists of two parts. One is the smart contract, and that smart contract is the code that runs exclusively on the blockchain. So smart contract is just the code, the language that is used to write on the blockchain. Okay. Now the second one is a decentralized Oracle networks, which are secure off-chain services that support the smart contract. All right. Now this is the we will not go beyond. I'm taking it from here. Now this is the contractual agreement between the contract, the insurance company, and the bank. We are explaining the DeFi contract, all right? The DeFi hybrid contract, that's what we are explaining. So they are saying it's a contractual agreement. That's the agreement that exists between the contract, the insurance company, and the bank. So even you and I are not even in this equation here. So it means it is a privilege for us to come in, all right? Now, what happens? The contract contains the provision of capital in USD, which is the starting balance given by the bank to the contract given by the bank. So you are not giving that money to the contract for a term of 3, 5, or 7 years. Okay, so users activate contracts. Each contract has a non-refundable activation fee of only $100, just as I explained. So you only use this money to how do you call it? Activate the contract. Once you activate the contract, the loan is pushed into your account for you. It's as simple as that, and you go ahead and do the staking. It's some few buttons within 1 to 2 minutes. You are done. You go to rest for the whole 3 years. Just watch your money grow on your screen. All right. Now the account holder, or you the participant. Okay, so for you to participate with only $100 activation fee, you can secure 3 years, 5 years, or 7 years definitely staking hybrid. So everybody needs just $100, whether you are going for 3 years, 5 years, or 7 years. But the result, or the end result, changes. Now if you go for 3 years, you'll be given a loan amount of 30,240 for 3 years. Okay, where at the end, okay, we'll look at all that. If you go for 5 years, you'll be given 43,200. If you go for 7 years, you'll be given 43,300 as a starting button. Now I want you to read what is here. They say each participant is considered an account holder and may open an account anonymously with just an email address upon registration. That is all. All right. Now this starting capital compound over the length of the term. All right. Now the insurance company, what is their work? They insure the loan. Basically, I should put, they insure the loan that is given to you, and every month they take their premium, okay, from the profit the system makes for you. And all this is automated. All this is automatically written. You don't have any control over it. Now the bank, what do they do? Now based on the insurance coverage, the partner bank they work with, okay, the partner bank the system work with will provide the capital for the contract. So that is their work. They provide the money for the capital. Now why would the bank do this? Now the bank benefits financially by receiving secure annual interest from the staking profit without interruption. So every year the bank get interest. Bank, when they give out money or they loan out money, they make interest on it every year. And so the system is programmed to calculate I think the profit rate is 6% of the money they give you every year and pays to them. All right, and this is automated. You don't need to do anything about it. Now what does all this mean? It all means that because of these 4 components, profit can be generated with the addition of compounding. All right, so let's take a look at the contract expectations and the power of compounding. Okay, and what are the 4 the 4 components we are talking about? The 4 components we are talking about are this one: the deficit staking contract, you the account holder, a bank, and the insurance company. So it's a win-win kind of thing. Okay, now let's look at contract expectations. Now if you take a 3 years contract, you are given this amount of money which works for you for 3 years. Okay, every month, this is what the insurance company takes, $210,000 every month for insuring the money for you as premium. Now the system also charges $30 for handling your money for you. Okay, and the loan interest bank is 6.75% per year. So they calculate it on the money and deduct and pay to them every year. So this is what happens on your contract. So that at the end of the 3 years, the total money would have generated, the system would have generated a total of this amount for you, which is 67, this one here. All right, $67,550. Okay, so you the account holder, if you look at here, we have the green is the account holder. After the loan in red, which is 30,240, is paid to the bank, you the account holder takes $35,097.28. That's $37,000, guys. It is not small. For what did you do? Nothing. All you provided was the $100 you used to activate your account. Wait for 3 years and cash out this money. And this is happening every day. The system has been there since 2016. So now almost every day people's contracts are maturing or expiring and they are taking money. 3 contracts, 4 contracts, 5 contracts. Big money. The system should have collapsed by now if they are not doing business. So you don't sit there and think about risk. Please take action. Now let's look at 5 years contract. The same thing happened here. Look at my screen, everything is spelled out here. At the end of the contract, you, the account holder, the bank will take their loan of $33,200, and you, the account holder, will take a whooping amount of, in green, 471,487 point something dollars. Guys, it is something. That's for 5 years, okay? At the time of writing this slide, 7 years was not initiated, but as making this presentation, 7 years is initiated, but I've not gotten the figures yet. But maybe I'll later get it for you and you see. So you can see there is a substantial payout difference with 36-month or 60-month contract. All right. In one 36-month contract, it's estimated to return 35,000. So just like we have already explained. All right. Now each contract compounds daily interest on the starting balance. Everything as I explained. All right. Now these are just some contract that are expired and what they have gotten. All right, people. I will skip these ones. These are just proof of withdrawals and all that. I'll skip them, and I'll go to these are just what we did to verify their blockchain and all that. These are payments that people have received. We have scanned them on the blockchain and we realize everything is working perfectly and all that. Now, putting it all together, account holder has a contract. Okay, example, one contract for $100. The bank provides the capital to the definite staking contract. Staking generates daily compounded profit. Each contract is insured by the insurance company. At the end of contract term, the capital lent to the deficit staking contract is paid back. So this is just a summary of everything that I have said. All right. Now these are the Cryptex contract. All right. So we have 36 month contract here, which is 3 years. Sorry. We have another 36 months, but this is combo. In this one, if you go for this one, you are having 15 contracts, but you are paying for only 10. Okay, you are paying for $1,000 for the 15 contracts. So it means that once you pay $1,000, you are getting 15 contracts. So explicitly, it means you have gotten 5 contracts for free, and all these are working together to the end of the time. So imagine at the end of the day, you are taking 35,000 times 15. Guys, it's not small. All right, then we have the 60-month contract and 84-month contract. So these are the contracts we have on board. All right, so this here they are just talking about the combo contract, which might end anytime, so we don't even know when. All right, now the overview of everything, overview of Cryptex primary benefit. You earn passive income, you generate interest from staking 24/7 and no personal capital needed. You didn't provide the money, that's what it means. Fixed starting capital from the bank, affordable. It's just $100, guys, just $100. Very affordable. All right, you have 36, 60, 84 months staking contract. The daily compounding is average of 0.1 to 0.3% of the capital. 80 contracts allowed per account. Okay, so over 500,000 members worldwide. Withdrawals are in Bitcoin. 8-year-old project. For now, it's even more than 8 years. Total anonymity for all. So it's just a summary of everything. All right. So guys, I will talk about the referral rewards or the compensation plan for those whom I want to refer. All right, or share the opportunity. In fact, if you decide to share the opportunity, there are big rewards for you, but you don't need to share this opportunity before you make the money. Once you activate your account, you are gone. All right, but if you decide to share, you make other passive income. So guys, I'll drop the curtain here. The video is very lengthy, but take your time and watch it. I'll put the registration link. You can create your free account and study the system, the platform, as you prepare to activate it. You can join our WhatsApp group where we learn a lot about this company, or you can get interaction with me on the WhatsApp group. All the links will be in the description of the video. Guys, I'll see you in my subsequent video. Until then, take care. I love you. Bye.